This isn't just another gaming PC. The PCSPECIALIST Nexa 980 is built to push modern hardware to its absolute limits. From the moment it arrives, the premium packaging hints at the performance waiting inside. Every component is carefully protected, ensuring the system arrives ready for serious gaming. Clean cable routing, premium cooling, and striking RGB lighting immediately make a powerful first impression. The chassis combines modern aesthetics with practical airflow designed for high-performance hardware. Customizable RGB lighting transforms the Nexa 980 into the centerpiece of any gaming setup. Every component inside has been selected to deliver exceptional gaming and creative performance. At its heart sits AMD's Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, a processor engineered for today's most demanding games. The powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 delivers cutting-edge graphics performance for 4K gaming and AI-enhanced workloads. Fast DDR5 memory keeps modern games and demanding applications running smoothly. High-speed NVMe storage dramatically reduces loading times and keeps the system incredibly responsive. Liquid cooling helps maintain lower temperatures even during extended gaming sessions. Efficient airflow is essential for maintaining peak performance under heavy workloads. Excellent cable management improves airflow while giving the interior a clean, professional appearance. With everything connected, it's finally time to discover what the PCSPECIALIST Nexa 980 is truly capable of. The Nexa 980 boots quickly, giving an immediate impression of a premium, high-performance gaming system. The Asus X870 motherboard provides a modern platform with support for next-generation hardware, fast storage, and high-speed connectivity. A clean BIOS interface allows users to monitor hardware, adjust settings, and fine-tune system performance. Everyday tasks feel effortless thanks to responsive hardware and ultra-fast solid-state storage. Before gaming begins, benchmark testing reveals how the hardware performs under controlled conditions. The Ryzen processor maintains impressive performance during demanding workloads while remaining efficiently cooled. The graphics card handles demanding rendering workloads with remarkable stability and power. Efficient cooling keeps temperatures under control, allowing the system to sustain peak performance. Fast NVMe storage delivers rapid file transfers and dramatically reduced loading times. High-speed DDR5 memory provides the bandwidth required for modern games and demanding multitasking. Advanced ray tracing technology brings cinematic lighting and realistic reflections to supported games. AI-powered upscaling helps boost frame rates while preserving impressive image quality. Modern connectivity options ensure compatibility with today's fastest peripherals and networking standards. With testing complete, it's finally time to see how the Nexa 980 performs where it matters most, inside today's biggest games. The true test begins in 4K, where every component must work together to deliver a smooth and immersive experience. With graphics settings pushed to their highest levels, the Nexa 980 produces stunning visual detail. High frame rates keep gameplay responsive, giving players a competitive advantage and a smoother overall experience. Real-time ray tracing transforms lighting and reflections into something remarkably close to reality. Large open worlds load quickly and remain fluid, allowing exploration without distracting interruptions. Competitive gamers benefit from responsive controls and consistently high frame rates during fast-paced matches. Racing simulations showcase crisp visuals, detailed environments, and fluid motion at high resolutions. Demanding simulation titles highlight the system's ability to process enormous environments with ease. Powerful hardware allows gaming and live streaming to run together with impressive stability. Creative professionals benefit from fast editing, responsive playback, and reduced rendering times. Complex 3D rendering tasks demonstrate the immense processing capability of the graphics hardware. Modern GPUs accelerate AI-powered applications, making demanding creative workflows significantly faster. Even under heavy multitasking, the system remains responsive and comfortable to use. Extended gaming sessions reveal consistent performance, efficient cooling, and dependable system stability. Performance is only part of the experience. The Nexa 980 also delivers the premium feel expected from a flagship gaming desktop. Beyond gaming, the Nexa 980 is equally comfortable handling demanding professional workloads and everyday productivity. Fast storage and modern hardware make launching applications feel almost instantaneous. Attention to detail is evident throughout the build, from premium materials to exceptionally tidy cable management. Even during extended heavy workloads, the cooling system keeps temperatures comfortably under control. Despite its immense performance, the Nexa 980 remains surprisingly quiet during normal operation. Modern connectivity ensures compatibility with the latest monitors, storage devices, and high-speed peripherals. Its modern platform provides an excellent foundation for today's software and tomorrow's demanding applications. Whether you're a gamer, creator, streamer, or professional, the Nexa 980 offers the performance needed for demanding workflows. Powerful hardware, fast storage, efficient cooling, and premium build quality combine to create an exceptional desktop experience. As with any flagship system, buyers should consider its physical size, power demands, and premium price before purchasing. Across gaming, creative work, and productivity, the Nexa 980 consistently delivers outstanding performance. Designed to perform and built to impress, the Nexa 980 stands out from every angle. Whether chasing victory in competitive games or creating professional content, the Nexa 980 is ready for every challenge. Technology continues to evolve, but one thing remains constant: exceptional performance begins with exceptional engineering. Thanks for watching.